So I've been having a rough week. I figured I would treat myself to some Mystery Squad scented Squishmallows. I went to my Walgreens this morning and it was a full box. They were all there. So I decided to Google all their scents to see if I can get the ones that I want. So apparently the axolotl smells like blueberries and the Bigfoot smells like mint. This one to me smells like blueberries and it looks blue from the, I can't see, but it looks blue from the bottom. So let's see. I hope treating myself doesn't backfire and I just bought something that I don't want. Yes. There he is. What a cutie. Definitely blueberries. Oh, yay. What a cutie. Hi. So there's one. I also got some eggs, so we'll open an egg now before we open the next one. I'm looking for one more in the squad. Nope. I have this guy. I have more than one of this guy. Now I have more than two of this guy. Darn. Darn it! Goodness, what can you do? It's raining outside. It's a sad, gloomy day. Next, I feel like the purple eggs you always get Sean. Or I always get Sean. Okay, not a bad one. Here's a little puffer vest. Oh, what a cutie. Okay. Last egg. Please be the deer. Please be the deer. I don't think it is. Please be the deer. No, but it's another really good one. I love the Hawaiian shirt so much. It is so cute. Dang. I need the fawn. This one. I need it. I have all the other ones. I'm about to just give up. Does anybody have that for trade? I will trade you all of these for that fawn. Okay, because I have all these, let's do a little giveaway. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite Squishmallow is and what right now you're in search of. So 2 Squishmallows. Tell me what they are, and I may pick you to send one of these to. Okay, last mystery squad. Apparently the Bigfoot smells like, it's a Bigfoot, right? Or is it a Yeti? I'm not sure. I think it's a Bigfoot. Apparently it smells like mint. That is minty. And it also looks white from the bottom, but it's tissue paper, so we can never be sure. Okay, let's see. Yay, I was right. I don't know. This makes me think that it's a Yeti, but the tooth makes me think it's a Bigfoot. Yay! This made my day a little bit better. They smell. Woo! Woo! Yay! Leave comment.